Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you to Charmofun, a mattress. This is a tanning pool in a large dimension of 210 to 155 centimeter. It's a double deluxe inflatable sunbathing pool with a headrest, a cup holder, and an ice bar. This mattress is for water use and for adults pool, for the beach, for the garden, for the summer, and for fun. Here it comes in the blue finish. It's also available in the green finish on the market. We have here a double floating bed and large design. This mattress and large size design with an inflatable size about 210 to 155 centimeter. The maximum load capacity is over 220 kilogram. Whenever we want to enjoy our summer with or without friends and family, this luxury sun pool can be easily accommodated. We call friends and families to experience the wonderful water season together. This air mattress tanning pool in a large dimension is equipped with a comfortable removable seat cushion and an air cushion base that provides an optimal support for the neck and the head. The air cushion base also provides more comfort during prolonged relaxation. We fill the inflatable sun pool with water for a cooler and more comfortable lying experience and experience the sun to the full. Maximum chill. The inflatable sun pool is built with one removable inflatable cushion, one cup holder, and one ice bucket holder. We add ice cubes and enjoy our favorite drinks and snacks instantly without having to leave the comfort of this air mattress. Tanning a pool in a large dimension so we can experience the comfort of a cool drink on a hot summer day on the beach. This air mattress is large for pools. It's made of thick, durable, and high-quality PVC materials with a thickness of 0.3 millimeters, which ensures a comfort and is skin-friendly, and is also nearly unbreakable. The swimming mattress is equipped with a portable handle that facilitates mobility. It can be easily lifted out of the water or moved in the water and ensures a stable and secure hold in the tanning pool flamingo style, baby. This inflatable mattress you can use on the balcony for equipped with an anti-leakage valve that allows it to be completely inflated and emptied in a few minutes. It's also lightweight and easy to fold and store, so we can take it anywhere and enjoy our free time. Yeah, if we do not use the air mattress, we should store it in a dry place and protect it from heat and sunlight. The air mattress is perfect for all kinds of outdoor summer activities and can be used in a variety of scenarios such as inside or nearly pools, beach, as you can see, lakes, terraces, garden, water parks, and of course more. The added mattress can be filled with water to create a refreshing oasis where we can bath and relax our whole body, which makes it a perfect gift for ourselves or for friends and family at the summertime. Of course, you can also use it at the wintertime. Maybe you can chill there in winter too, of course. This Charmofun mattress offers a relaxing place to swim and chill, so we can lay on the pool or on the beach. We take on a trip and enjoy the blue sky, the sun, the sea, or the beach. We enjoy a cooling area where we'll belong there by using this air mattress. This is cool, this is easy, this is a good and nice relaxing stuff. Because this is the really cool Charmofun Mattress. Or not only humans like it, as you can see, the bees like it too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Done.